The important thing is also like being able to like switch guns. What is it? Because you never want to be locked into, what is it? One gun where you have to constantly reload. Dress up systems are online. Bedazzle your enemies by decorating your arms and guns with fabric. What? What? Fabric? Denim, flannel, camo, leopard print, scale. Hear me out. The charms? Oh, you can like customize gun. What? Wait, how does... Oh. Wait, is this like mixed colors? Hold up. Oh no, it's just one. Okay. Wait, kind of? Okay. What the fuck? Wait. How many of these can I put? Oh, this is gonna be so bad for visual clarity. All right. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. No, Charlene. Okay, okay. 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 Oh. Come on. Yes. Oh god. This is speed tier bar shows your current speed, health bar shows your current health, blah blah blah. I didn't see what it said about replenishing health. I don't really care though. What the fuck?
A few moments later.
Oh my god, I can't see anything. It's so fucking pink, man. Everything is blending together. I can't see because of the fucking sharks. Lightning? What the hell is this game even about anymore, man?